Yeah, they really say early morning rain no dey beat one person. As they just dey for court, I be think say this thing na for those presidential people candidates. I no know say people dey wey they call FCT. These ones they say they be indigenes. If they wan know whether they no get right to take votes. And they get one of the questions wey be say they come ask, wey come shockotalize me for inside na be say, are we not Nigerians? What make us Nigerians? This question, individuals, I don't ask people don't still ask me, say, what make us Nigerians? As I see this video, I can say, God, these days have been really like prepared to come, and this thing they happen for our time. Abeg, make una look this video as these people still dey court. They talk say they no participate for the election, and from all indication this election wey be say dey for ground, so be like say they go redo am o.
This is a lawsuit that is yet another attempt by the original inhabitants of the Federal Capital Territory to get some intervention, this time from the court, to compel the federal government to give them their rights in the national scheme of things based on the recent judgment by the Supreme Court and controversy generated over the status of the FCT by candidates in the February 25th presidential elections. The FCT Indigenes say they are the only set of Nigerians deprived of full political rights to participate in elections, to vote and be voted for, as situated in the second-tier government, despite a Supreme Court judgment affirming that the FCT is by law a state like the rest of the 36 states of the Federation.
What happens to the FCT native when every other state is carrying out gubernatorial elections and state house of assembly? We seek to know what we are and why we are and what are we. What are we? Are we truly Nigerians? If we are, then they should spell out, because of late we came to realize that in the Supreme Court ruling as in justification to the 25% of every state quota, FCT was termed to be the 37 states.
Counsel for the Abuja Indigenes describe it as a fundamental human rights suit, and that the quest for the enforcement of these rights will translate to greater inclusion in the governance structures of the nation's capital city.
The Nigerian citizens who are residents, and in particular indigenes of FCT, have not been participating in these elections. That is why we are here in court, to let the court determine whether these people who are legitimate citizens of Nigeria are not eligible to participate in elections, or if they are, so why are they not participating?
The National Assembly, the group insists, will be crucial in ensuring the required legislative interventions to make the dreams of Abuja original inhabitants become realistic, especially based on recent Supreme Court judgment.
What do the National Assembly is supposed to do in this circumstance? They have the constitutional powers to make laws for the Federation or any part thereof. And that part of the country that they can make laws for is FCT. And don't forget, the National Assembly is also a house of assembly of a state.
The Abuja Indigenes are praying the court to order the National Assembly to apply a doctrine of necessity and pass a resolution allowing elections to be conducted into designated executive and legislative positions as obtainable in states before the inauguration of a new government on 29th May 2023. They are also urging the court to award the sum of 15 trillion naira against the defendants as damages. Those listed as defendants in the case are the President, the National Assembly, and the Attorney General of the Federation. Justice Silvanus Origi of the FCT High Court later rescheduled the case to April 24th for hearing of the matter due to the absence of legal representation by the defendants. Godfrey Eshemoge, Arise News.